2nd grade already. And guys, go on C12. It's the one right here. The one that's is started with C and then 12. 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Some mint. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So quickly, guys. Now count forward 300s from the 100. Listen.
Count forward by hundreds from 300.
That's what I meant. So it's 400, 500, 600. We're rushing real quick. 700, 800. That's 70, not 700. No, I have to do. And then 90. Whoa, that's kind of weird. And then 80, 85. After 85 is going to be 90. And then it's going to be 95. We got this. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We've got this. 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay. Count forward by 5 from 55. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Count forward by 5 from 5, 10, 15, 20, then 25. Okay. Count forward by hundreds from 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Count forward by tens from 40, 50, 60. I actually did 67. That was wrong. 60, 70, 80. I actually did 89 now. 80. Yes, fantastic. Count forward by tens from 50, 60, 70, 80. Sorry, Ready's not working again. Well. 3, 2, 1. Count forward by hundreds from 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 100. We're at 94. Hurry up before time beats us. Count forward by 5. Wait.
Count forward by 5s from 13.
What? Forward by 5s from 13? 13 can't even be in a 5. Listen. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That makes no sense. By 5s? What? I'll just do 15. Like, how? Come on, I'll just do 20. Does that even make sense? 20, 25, 30. I just have to get this wrong. I don't even know the answer. What? This was pretty confusing. 20, 30, 40, 90. Then count forward 55 by 100. Count forward by hundreds from 55? I don't even know. What? Come on. Oh, so 155, 255, 355? Yes. Count forward by tens from 300. Listen.
Count forward by from 33.
Count forward by tens from 33. What? So we have to add 33 plus 10? KKK. So 43. So 43. I only know the first one. It's 43. 43 plus 10 would equal 53. 53. I know 63. I know 63. Okay. Count forward by 5 from 40. Count forward by 5 from 40. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 42 plus 10. This is just the last one, 99. So that would equal 52, 62, 72. That's 722. 82, 92. Yes, super. Bye, everyone. See you on the next vid.